Welcome. Today we're going to cover how to enter a new load in the STARS system. First thing I'll point out is there's a navigation up here that will take you to enter other new things like a customer, shipper, consignee. But in this case, we're entering a new load. The first thing you'll see is this agency info box. If you expand that, it's going to have some pre-entered information based on the user when you create a new load. So typically you won't need to go in there and change anything. Same thing goes with the assigned truck. If you have a carrier driver already on a given load and you haven't keyed into the system yet, you can assign the truck to the load here. Otherwise, it's pretty straightforward. You just start typing the customer's name and it'll do a search for it. And then it will filter down the contacts at that location. So you choose which one is there. And you can type in the shipper the same way. Now, if you don't have a consignee in there, or a shipper for that matter, you can type a zip code and it will filter down to the cities. You can also put in the city name and it'll filter it down from there. And in case you have a city name that's very popular, you can type in and it will filter down to the only places listed that are in Springfield. Once you have them keyed in, you'll notice that the map will map the lane and it'll provide some miles there. So we've got 619 miles. Come down here, we can choose our trailer type. We can put in a commodity. And we type in our miles. And you can choose the rate per mile that you're looking to quote on that. You'll notice the fuel surcharge is populated automatically. That's based off of the user's cost of fuel that they're using on a weekly basis. So it's a good idea to go in there and change that every week, and then you don't have to do the calculation on that. Line haul, you can choose to use exactly what the computer's calculating for you, or you can type in whatever amount you want to use. You can put in as many accessorials as you want. Oops. So if I wanted to add another one, and you'll notice that the accessorials are totaled, and then the total revenue is there. That's line haul plus your accessorials. Then you have your places for your notes, your customer rate confirmation notes, and your carrier driver load instructions. And this button here will do a lane analysis, so it will look up any previous loads that you've done on that lane with that equipment. It's a good comparison in case you've quoted the customer before and you want to see, where you've been on the rate before. Then you just hit the submit button, and as it's saving all this information, it will then give you basically a load detail. This is the actual load in the system now. And you're ready to go. Thank you.